join me in creating a 3D character that mirrors your facial expressions in real time. Before we dive in, let's go over the software and tools we'll be using throughout this tutorial. Blender 4.2 for 3D modeling and animation, Unity 6 as the game engine, Face Capture app, which is free in the App Store. And also check if your Apple device is compatible as well. Also, unlike the previous tutorial, this time we'll be adding the eyes and the skin directly in Unity, giving your character that extra touch of realism. Alright monkeys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more cool animated heads in the future.